Hello and welcome to Wagner's Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about the all-new Echo Show 8. That's right. Let's check it out right now. Let's take a look at the specifications for the Amazon Echo Show 8. It's got an 8-inch touchscreen, a 1 megapixel camera with built-in shutter. That is, it's a hardware switch where you can flip the camera on and off. It's got dual band Wi-Fi, so you have 802.11a, B, G, N, and AC. It has Bluetooth connectivity, 2-inch speakers, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the Echo Show 8. First, we'll just peel back this little sticker here, and we'll check out what's in the box. Oh, it's neat. It's got a little handle. There's the power adapter, and looks like a little manual here. Shows you a little bit about the device, what the buttons do. Cool. To get into the settings, you swipe from the top down. And to access your shortcuts, you swipe from right to left. Very cool. Alright, so let's take off this packaging here and the plastic. Nice. On the top you have your mute, your volume up and down, and on the right hand side you have this switch, and this is what you can use to turn the camera on and off. Great for privacy. On the back you have your power, your micro USB, and your auxiliary jack. We'll go ahead and plug in the power. That's what the connector looks like. And we'll just plug it into the power input here. And we'll go ahead and set it up on our network. First thing you'll have to do is type in your password to your Amazon account. Then set up a name for your Echo Show. I'm going to make this one Kitchen. Say done. And continue. And then you can choose your wallpaper. I'll go ahead and select Amazon Photos. That sounds good. Yeah, just tap right there. Alright. Almost done.
This device is ready.
In an effort to not wake any echoes you may have around, I'm going to go in here and change the device options to use a different wake word of echo. There we go. Alright, let's try it out. Echo. Show things to try.
You can say things like, show my contacts, show notifications on my home screen, or what's the best coffee maker? And many more.
Echo. Show my calendar.
Here are the calendar events.
Echo. What are my events for today?
Today there is one event remaining. At 12 p.m. there's Make an Echo Show video.
Echo. Go home. Echo. Set volume to 7. Echo. Show me recipes.
Sure. I can search by dish name and ingredients. What would you like?
Gourmet cheeseburger.
Okay, for gourmet cheeseburger, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
I ordered this Echo Show 8 for my wife. She wanted to be able to watch movies in the kitchen, and as you can see in the upper right here, this is what we're using now, and it takes up a lot of room, and you can't connect anything over HDMI. It's rather limiting. So I'm hoping the Echo Show will either replace it or at the very minimum supplement it. It also has this cool feature where you can add all the ingredients to a shopping list. Echo, drop in on the master bedroom.
Echo Spot Master Bedroom, right?
Yes. All I'm seeing are pillows. Hey, how you doing? As you can guess, I'm making a video. Can I use this? You look beautiful.
I don't care.
All right. Echo, hang up. Echo, play news item.
John, here's what's new. From the Associated Press.
I'm Ben Thomas with an AP News Minute. The viral outbreak that began in China has now infected more than 67,000 people globally.
Echo, play 80s music.
Here's a station for you, 80s Rock, on Amazon Music.
Unfortunately, since it's copyrighted music, I can't play it here, but let me tell you, it sounded beautiful. So I'll go ahead and play something that I can legally show you on the Wagner's Tech Talk YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to Wagner's Tech Talk. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can play your favorite dual stick arcade games using X-Main on your RG350. That's right, you'll be able to play Robotron and Karate Champ and many others. Let's get started. Echo, turn the game room off. Echo, turn the game room on. Echo, turn the game room off. Echo, set the thermostat to 72 degrees.
The heat's set to 72.
Echo, show my smart home. Echo, show the front door.
Okay.
Someone is at the front door.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you unlock the door so I can get my jacket?
Okay, sure. Well, overall, the Echo Show 8 worked great. There were a few things that I think could be improved. First off, you can't change the clock face here, which is a bit of a problem. And second of all, the things to try that shows up on the bottom can be disabled by turning off the settings that you see here. However, it always seems to pop back up when you interact with the device, so that was a bit of an issue for me. So let's go into the pros real quick. It's got a nice display. The price is really good. I paid $89 for this one. Camera shutter feature is nice, gives you a little bit more privacy, and there are some privacy concerns with all these kinds of devices. Overall, it works well. As far as improvements, I think a 1 megapixel camera is a bit weak. It's got a small clock, and the things to try could be improved definitely. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Echo Show 8. Echo, conclude this video.
Good night, Wagner's Tech Talk fans. Please click like if you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you want to see more.